Ever since MG launched the Windsor EV Pro, it quickly became one of the top selling EVs in India. But one of the biggest concerns was always the range. The MG Windsor EV gave it around 230 kilometers of main range. And MG acted quickly upon and gave us this, the MG Windsor EV Pro with around 449 kilometers of main range. Visually, there's not much that has changed. We get 18-inch dual-tone alloy wheels straight from the MG Hector, EV Pro badging and the ADAS badging. The bigger battery is a 52.9 kilowatt-hour unit that surprisingly makes the same amount of power, 130 horsepower and 200 Nm of torque. The car can go from 0 to 100 in just around 8.6 seconds and it gets around 449 kilometers of claim range. Inside the Windsor EV Pro, you get these dual-tone ivory finished interiors with these Foxwood panels which are actually plastic. But this champagne gold treatment that you see on the interior really gives it a very upmarket look. You get this massive 15.6-inch touchscreen which has wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And pretty much every function there is in the car is crammed into this screen, which I find to be a little inconvenient, but hey. Thankfully, you still get a little bit of buttons over here. Both the front seats are ventilated and the AC is a chiller. Although one thing about the front seats is that the cushioning on them is a little bit on the firmer side in comparison with the ones on the back. You get a good view of the surroundings, there's not a lot of blind spots and the side view mirror is big enough. Now talking about the main USP of the Windsor, that is the rear aero lounge seats. Now don't let the design of the seats fool you into thinking that they're very comfy. They're a little bit on the firmer side, but it does help you in longer rides. And these seats recline to up to 135 degrees. So that is very comfortable. Pardon me, I'm gonna go take a nap. Now, compared to the previous Windsor, the boot space in this has reduced to around 579 liters from the regular 607. But it is still generous enough. But still generous enough to fit 3 large suitcases. The EV Pro gets a 52.9 kWh battery that produces the same 130 horsepower and 200 Nm of torque. This car can do 0 to 100 in just around 8 seconds. This was a normal mode and you get 4 driving modes: Eco Plus, Eco, Normal and Sports. You get 3 regenerative braking modes as well. Now this car is not supposed to be dynamically very good, but it does bring a smile to your face when you press on the accelerator. It's easy to maneuver around the city. Again, it's an EV, so it gets power steering, and the acceleration is pretty predictable. Now let me just put it into sports, and let me just wait for the rickshaws to go past so I can. It's not something that really reshuffles your guts, but it's still something fun. Now, the 449 kilometers of range makes the MG Windsor, the MG Windsor EV Pro a much better contender for cars under, let's say, 25 lakhs. The previous Windsor used to get just 230 kilometers of range, which was not very much. So it usually is a better choice as maybe a secondary car. But now with the bigger battery pack, the MG Windsor EV Pro definitely is a very strong contender for a primary vehicle. You get a 360-degree camera system and ADAS and level 2 ADAS as well. Although I would honestly prefer to keep the ADAS off at most of the times because Mumbai traffic or traffic in India in general is very unpredictable. The ride quality of the Windsor EV Pro is, well, over bad roads, it seems nice. It's comfy, it's plushy. On slower speeds, the ride quality is a little bit on the firmer side, but other than that, it's still pretty comfortable. It's not something that's going to absolutely break your back. The one of the main USPs of the car was, well, its cloud-like suspension, and you do seem to find it to be pretty. You do seem to find it a little bit soft at some places, and oh my god, there's so much traffic. At rupees 19.24 lakh rupees ex-showroom Mumbai, the MG Vincer EV Pro is definitely something you cannot miss. It gets ADAS, it's comfortable, and well, it looks nice. So would you choose this over any of its other competitors? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the 6% Media YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.